Hey traders, it's 26 minutes past 12 p.m. here in Brisbane on Monday, the 30th of October, and I'm looking for a quick spar here with pound yen. So I'm looking for a break of the 181 here. We can see on the daily chart we are in a downtrend. We broke lower to the 178 and completely rejected it. We had a push and a second push, but we couldn't continue any higher. We came back and tested that level from above. We had a few rejection. We tried to push higher and came back into that level fast once again, and another push lower. So we are compressing in the big scheme of things above this level. But just a word of caution, tomorrow we've got the Bank of Japan interest rate decision. And while the market is expecting at some point that the Bank of Japan is going to move away from its ultra loose monetary policy, they do have some sticky inflation in Japan, pretty similar to the rest of the world, but the Bank of Japan has still been diverging from the other central bank by keeping the ultra loose monetary policy and its yield curve control. So I am looking for a break of this level, but once again, keep in mind that there is going to be high volatility news tomorrow. So what am I looking at in this fight card? I want to see the lower time frame. So I am looking at lower time frame potential setup. We can see we've got another touch here and a bounce off it. I'm even going to look at 50 minutes as an example for this fight card because I am looking for a short-term move. I am looking for my offense line at the 181 with my point swing going to be just at the origin of the move that pushed higher here at the 180.5 and my knockout just shy above the 180. So a really quick move on this pair. If, however, I will see that this one is moving quite fast toward these areas, so they're going to be a break and not even looking back, any pullbacks, then I will be looking to push my knockout level to the red line here to the 179.40. Now let's take a quick look at the higher time frame. On the monthly chart, we can see the monthly chart is in an uptrend and it could potentially pull back a little bit more. I am looking for a quick move here, so I'm not too worried that this one is still in an uptrend. Looking at the weekly chart, you can see the rejections of the high here, so equal rejections around here on the weekly chart, but let's not forget we also have rejection of the low here and another one here, and it's still making higher lows. This is yet another reason why I'm only looking for a quick spar. We covered the daily chart. The daily chart is looking nice for a potential break, but again, we have these big buyers that came out around this area, so I want to be out before we come into this area once again. So to summarize, I am looking for a mid time frame move. I am looking for a potential break here. My offense line is going to be here at this line at the 181 with my point swing at the blue line at the origin of the move here, 180.5 area, and my knockout just shy of the 180. If, however, I'm going to see a strong push to the downside, I am going to push my knockout area toward the 179.75 area. All along, I will be pushing my defense line to protect the ground that I've already covered in the ring. Happy knockouts, everyone. Bye for now.